7, verse 15, where Apostle Paul says, that I want to do, I don't do. The evil that I want to do, I do. The wretched man that I am, who will deliver me from my body of death? Thanks to be God. And it talks about how you'll never be perfect to get into heaven. And like we always try to walk in Jesus' path, to not sin. And like, no matter what, we'll always fall. And Jesus is always ahead of us, and he'll always turn around and to pick us back up. And as well, I want to show you guys an example why you should turn your life to God before it's too late. Where, let's say you're 18 years old. You have 1,080 months, which is exactly 90 years. And a third of that time you'll spend your life sleeping. 126 months will go to school. About 18 months will be spent driving. And about 36 months you'll be cooking and eating. Another 36 you'll be doing chores and errands. And about 27 months you'll be in the bathroom, and that leaves you 334 months. And the average 18-year-old, for past the span, about 450 months of the rest of their lives, people are looking at screens. Just think about that. In the world that we live, an average American, 450 months of his life, he's looking at a screen. He's always just watching videos, and that 450 months of your life for those 90 years leaves you 53 months. What are you going to do with that time that you have for the Lord? And instead of 450 months scrolling through videos, scrolling through social media, watching all these videos, wasting your time on that, why won't you switch that 450 months from your screen and switch that months in turning that phone into a Bible? Imagine how much closer you'll be to the Lord. Imagine how much better your life will get when you follow the Lord. Instead of 450 months you'll be on your phone, you'll be 450 months of your life, spending your life for the Lord. And the question is that how you guys want to live your life? Or would you rather change that 450 months for the Lord? And we have all this time as well right now. And I'm saying to you guys, to the youth as well, that we live in a wicked generation. We live in a sinful generation where screens, technology is so easy for us to access things, to watch videos, and to do everything. But I say, for you guys, the best thing, if you want to learn back in the generation, the way that they used to live their lives, they never had telephones. The lives before, probably 1980s or whatever, 1800s back then, they never had such a thing called as a cell phone. And a cell phone is just, this generation, you can do anything on a cell phone. And what I'm saying is to you guys is to the youth, change that phone into a Bible, and you'll see how much more of your life will change. Not only yourself, but you will see how much your life will change for the Lord. And that's all I have to, as well, another part as well right here in James chapter 4, verse 7. It talks about as well, submit yourselves therefore to God. Give your life to the Lord. And this isn't something I made up, this is something that says in the scripture. Therefore give your life to the Lord. And that's all I have to really much to share today. Что я молодежи сегодня разговаривал и я говорил их, зачем вам надо вашу жизнь дать Богу. Because у нас сейчас жизнь очень много технологий, все сейчас есть. Но сейчас я и говорю, дайте вашу жизнь, instead of смотреть на телефоны, дайте, поменяйте ваши телефоны до Библии. И вы увидите, как лучше ваша жизнь будет с вашей жизнью и с вашей жизнью Богом. Это все, что мне отец молодежный говорит, проповедовать. Аминь.